To keep you updated on the capital and financial markets, here is a recap of what happened.
The Securities and Exchange Commission of Sri Lanka, as part of its continuous engagement process with stakeholders in the capital market landscape, held a meeting with the CEOs of the unit trust industry last week. The main purpose of the meeting was to address the current state of the unit trust industry and urge it to become vibrant, dynamic, and attract more investors to mutual funds and collective investment schemes. Thailand's Securities and Exchange Commission said new rules on program trading and short selling, effective as soon as April, will enhance transparency in the Thai capital market and shorten enforcement time on suspicious trades involving foreign investors. SEC Secretary General Purnanong Budsaratragoon said on the 11th of March the measures are meant to reduce the portion of daily trading volume from shorting stocks, or when an investor sells borrowed shares to buy them back if the price declines. The Thai bourse's troubling 2023 as Asia's worst-performing stock market was linked to increased short selling driven by the use of high-frequency trading programs. Short selling comprises only 5% to 7% of total daily trading volume in Thailand, but program trading by foreign investors accounted for nearly 80% of shorts in the first 2 months of 2024, according to the SEC. It began as a hedge fund boom. With rock-bottom interest rates during the global pandemic and Brazil's affluent class desperately searching for yields, fund managers emerged in large numbers, exiting from their banking industry jobs to set up their own operations in major Brazilian cities. However, as interest rates began their steep ascent in 2021, the law of much safer government bonds vis-à-vis risky equities and corporate debt was too attractive for investors to ignore, and those new hedge funds consequently struggled to retain client assets. But with the strong growth achieved by Brazil's economy and after political stability was restored last year, Brazil's asset management sector is showing significant promise for sustained growth this year. During a press conference, the chair of the Securities and Exchange Board of India, Madhabi Puribach, said instant settlement and tokenization are necessary to compete with crypto. India already offers one-day settlement, with optional same-day settlement launching later this month. The SEBI chair said some capital markets participants questioned the need for instant settlement. Our logic is that we have an extremely well-regulated, risk-mitigated market, said Madhabi Puribach. If our well-regulated market cannot compete with the crypto world and cannot say we also offer you tokenization and instantaneous settlement, over the medium term, I won't even say long term, you should expect investors to move where they allow this. The whole generation is about instant everything. A sharp correction in small-cap stocks portends souring risk appetite on the broader Indian market, which is now an underperformer in Asia-Pacific after a multi-year rally. An index of small-cap stocks lost more than $80 billion in market value in less than 2 weeks through Wednesday after authorities flagged risks of overheating and guided funds to limit purchases. Small and mid-cap stock gauges of the Bombay Stock Exchange rebounded Thursday after plunging more than 4% each in the prior session. As sentiment weakens, investors are pulling money out of richly valued larger shares as well. The MSCI India Index is now lagging behind MSCI's Asia Pacific Index for a second straight month, with markets such as Taiwan and South Korea more in favor due to their exposure to chip shares and the artificial intelligence boom. Some investors anticipate losses will deepen.
The latest e-Zine is now available for download at FIMM's official website. Download your copy today to keep up to date with what's going on in the industry.
This has been the FIMM TV Weekly Recap. Be informed, stay updated. Be sure to like, share and subscribe.